How to unsubscribe from KFC Club marketing emails. Hi everyone. If you want to unsubscribe from the marketing emails like Club offers, promotions, newsletters, etc. from your KFC account, here's what you can do in order to unsubscribe. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So one of the things we can do is we can just go over and open up our Gmail. Search for gmail.com and open it up, and you can open up any of the KFC marketing email that you've received. For example, let's say this is the one email. So what you can do is you can scroll to the bottom of the email usually, or in the top also we can directly find an option for unsubscribe like this. So all we gotta do is click on this option and confirm it up, and go ahead and confirm it up. And when you do, it will remove your email from the promotional mailing list. This method right here is usually the fastest way to stop future promotional emails. That is one of the methods. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and remove it from our KFC account as well. So in the top right corner, we can find an account option that we can click on, and from here we can go to the My Info section and open it up. After that, you can scroll down from this section, and when you scroll here, we should be finding option for promotions and rewards email or promotions and reward text. All we gotta do is turn this toggle option off, so go ahead and click on it, and you can just go over and turn it off. Not all the versions of the KFC application or site include this feature. If you do not see it, you can use the email and unsubscribe link instead, and we should be able to do it. Sometimes, even after unsubscribing from marketing or promotional emails, you may still be continued to receive transactional messages, example, receipts, order confirmation, account alerts, etc. These kind of emails are usually required and not removed by the unsubscribe link. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can head over and follow out this method and you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.